All right, friends, we got about 4 1x10s cut up, but look what we got hiding right there. And that is where that defect was, and it is worse than I thought it would be. So you got to make the decision right here. Do you keep sawing down and edge that out later, or do you cut that end off and have a decently clear 6-foot board? Or your other option, which is what I'm going to do, is I put it up on its side and I come in here and just cut that off and get rid of it. And that will still leave an 8-inch wide board left when we start making lumber here. So that just shows you guys, you never know what's underneath those knots. So put them in a place where you can get rid of them. If that would have been in the middle of this board, that would have been a bad day right there. So at least we're able to get rid of it here.